Hi guys, definitely Mario here. Today we want to work on our project. We want to make two different things. The first thing is we want to add a icon generator, an easy small tool so we can make good icons for our items. The second thing is we want to implement our equip waves. We have three different types. The first type is we pick up an item. So it's fill one of the numbers 1, 2, 3 in the order you pick it up. So, but if you pick more than 3 items, so your inventory is large enough, the others will not go on this hotkeys. If you want to pick one of the hotkeys, you will do it over the inventory. And the last way is a button equipped in the inventory, so you can do it smart. The item will get the spot you already have. So if you have item 1 on, you go in your inventory and change any item with the equip button, it will go on position 1 and so on. Let us go to Unreal. First things first, let us begin with our item generator. For that, let us make a folder generator, and here a new folder item, and here a blueprint class of type actor item generator. Here it's not necessary to call him item generator because it's in the folder generator, an item. You could call him simple generator or whatever you like. Here we need two things. We need a camera. So go out and make a render texture. Render texture. Render target. Sorry, it is a render texture, but it calls render target. Call that preview. Open this, open your camera. Define the render target of it. Render target where it was. Moment. Yeah, not a camera. We did it before. A scene captured 2D. And here we can say the render text target will be our new generator item. This one. Yeah. Now let us make a little plane. The plane we only need for orientation. Put plane here. Rotate it by 90 degrees. So yeah. Let us look at a little bit. Yeah, it's let us. Yeah, here you can see our plane. It's a little far away. I think it's too far away for me. So we could make first something like this. Yeah, it's better. So now we could put any item here. So for the first item, let us do it with flashlight. Flashlight, where it is, here it is, and there it is, scene, static mesh, flashlight. Bam. Bring it. Yeah, let us show. Here and there. And yeah, we see it there. Maybe we make him a little bigger. Yeah, and go here. Yeah. Now we could have an item of our flashlight. How we make it persistent? So we go here, wait short, click here and create static texture, and we call that icon flashlight. So now it's persistent, and we could make in the texture folder where it is here a new icon folder, and there you can now bring up our icon flashlight. Move here. And we could make it with anything. So now I want no more the flashlight. I want an icon of my, let us say, EMF. We bring the EMF reader in. We move him. We rotate him so it's face more the camera. And we scale him a little higher so it will look a little nicer. It's too wide and too much in the corner. Yeah. Now we got an icon from our EMF, and you understand what I try here is it's a simple way of getting icons from your assets. So, and last but not least, let us bring in our ghost box tool. So we got all necessary items we want to have. Where's our ghost book? Notepad here. We're not there. We bring in that. It doesn't matter. We only want to have our image of it. Let us open our graph here. Yeah, that looks nice. So maybe I shouldn't use a more neutral background, but for this purpose, it's not that bad. You should think a little about a neutral background for your assets. Notepad, and put it into this. Move here. So now we have to open our data, our DT items. And here we got flashlight. We have to go icon where it is, I can flashlight, sourcebook, I can Notepad, then the add our EMF. How we call our EMF exactly, it's important. EP EMF Reader it calls, so it have to call here EP EMF Reader 2. I can EMF max stack, yep, max appearance 1. Here it goes to 1, 2. So now we got our items and we got our right icons. We can short test it here. Press E, press E. Icon is not there. Why is the icon not here? I will short check it. Okay, I find failure. We have to go into our icons, compress settings mask, and texture group UI. We have to do it with every icon we create with our icon generator. Oh, that's what is it here? I've tried to test it and bring it for this. It should work. And you have to check compress without alpha, so it not blend out. UI mask compress without alpha. And now if you pick it up here, you see our icon. It should be much larger, but if the user uses the full screen, but yeah, the icon should be larger. It's a little bit small, so yeah. And the background should a little bit more neutral or transparent, maybe. Yeah, maybe it should be transparent. Let us give it a try. So maybe we make 2 videos, one for the equip only. Oh, I could not delete. I'm play mode. Yes, I know. Not review. Yeah. But I want to scale him. I bring him here. Get him 90 degrees. Here. Down a little. Left a little. Not to the left. A little bit more down. Yeah. 3. Little. Yeah. That's a new item. Create static. CO. Notepad. Bring it to our icons. Move here. And open our data DT. ECO_notepad. Let us show how it looks if we do it this way. Yeah. We have to bring it to the UI, compress without alpha, and make it mask. Yeah. So, new editor. Let us see how it looks like in a full screen. Yeah, it's better. It's better, and the border is intact. So yeah, you have to play a little bit to get a nice looking items for you. You could make a writing in it or not, or you can put your EMF with some lights on. You can make your flashlight in it with voluminous, or a light beam comes out it, whatever you want in this situation. But with this generator tool we make, you have the ability to do it. You can make a plane at the end for orientation or whatever you need, so you have it most likely easy. At the moment now we got in Discord. If you need any help with any video, or you have some questions for the next upcoming videos or something else, you can write it in the Discord. Yeah, I hope you learned something, and see ya. And think about it, we will make the quit in another video, because we have now 70 minutes and I not want to make such large videos. So it's easier to you to follow.